a zinnia flower, and it's a fabulous flower of summer, and it stays up to 15 days.
Now I'm going to marinate the chicken with the salt, 1 tablespoon, and I'm going to add buttermilk, 1 cup, and let it rest for 30 minutes. I'm going to pour some oil. In 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, freshly grinded. I'm adding chicken marinated in buttermilk. Cook it until it gets turned into white. Now adding half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, allspice powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, tomato puree, green chilies 5 to 6, and its capsicum, 2 capsicum over here. And for this green chutney I'm going to add coriander with mint leaves. As you can see, I have added mint and coriander into it, and now I'm going to grind them. Adding water, adding green chili paste into it. Oh wow, what a green color, lush green color.